Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys and vehicles here, and today I'll introduce and finally I'll hand driving one by one. So let's go. Okay, I will park here. This is a V2 racing car. There is a next one is a ice cream trolley, so I'll trying this ice cream trolley with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of V2 racing car. There is a next one is a Tronton DS car, so I'll trying this Tronton car with my hand also. Okay, I'll park here besides of ice cream trolley. There is a next one is a 3D runner car, so I'll trying this runner car also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of Tronton car. There is a next one is a high-speed multifunctional backhoe, so I'll trying this one. Okay, I'll park here besides of runner car. There is the next one is a army jeep car, so I'll trying this army jeep car also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of multifunctional backhoe. There is the last one is a quad race bike, so I'll trying this quad race bike also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of army jeep car. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.